traders, welcome back to another video. Right, so this video is just for absolute complete beginners. Okay, so if you have no idea about trading, all right, so let's say you've heard about trading or you've heard about forex and you want to know more about it, then I recommend going through this procedure. Okay, so I did speak to a friend of mine and I showed him this channel and he said that he wants to do it, he's interested, but the videos that I did have earlier on were just for those who know what they're doing. So it gave me the idea to kind of do a video for those who have absolutely no idea about trading. So I decided to do that. Okay, so if you have no idea about forex, then this video is for you. So basically what you need to do if you have no idea about trading is come to my YouTube channel, okay, which is where you'll be watching this video, obviously. And then when you get here, go to my playlist, because I've created this on its own playlist. If you go there, you find Introduction to Forex. It's 2 videos and the one you'll be watching will be the 3rd one. So I recommend you watching probably the first 2 videos, okay, these first 2, and then once you're done with watching these 2 videos, then I will recommend this website for you. Okay, it's called babypips.com. so you go to Google and you type in Baby Pips, okay, and it should be the very first one. So you click on that and it'll take you to Baby Pips. Okay, when you get here, don't look at anything, don't do anything, just jump in straight in. Okay, new to trading forex, learn to trade through our online course. It's free, you don't have to pay. Okay, so what this is going to do is going to give you a general idea about what forex is, but I don't recommend you learning everything in here, because if you learn everything in here, you will be in the 90% of traders that lose money, because it's statistically proven that almost 90% lose money. So if everybody is learning from here and you learn, then obviously you'll be part of the 90%. So I'm going to show you what you need to learn when you get to this website, and once you learn that, then close it and then come back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so when you get to this website, just go to education and then go to how to trade forex. Okay, click on that, and first of all you need to create an account because you want to keep track of what you're doing. So you need to create an account. Alright, it's free. Okay, so this is my personal progress. As you can see, I didn't learn everything because I don't need to learn everything. Alright, so what you need to do is come here. Once you sign up and you go to education, how to trade forex, come to School of Pipsology, and what you'll be doing here, you'll be doing the preschool. So you'll be learning all this stuff. What is forex? How do you trade forex? Where can you trade forex? Who trades forex? And why trade forex? I kind of went through all of that in my 2 videos that I did, introduction, but for more explanation, or for you to expand your understanding, just come here and further your your foundation. Okay, so you come here, do this preschool and do the kindergarten. Okay, do all of these. Okay, and then elementary, I want you to do Fibonacci and Japanese candlestick. Just do these two and don't do the others. Okay, do these two. And then middle school, don't do anything in here because this is just what everybody does and it's not good. Don't do nothing from here. Don't do nothing from here apart from this and that one. Okay, currency crosses and multiple time frame analysis. Do these two. Okay, market sentiment, do that one as well. Trading the news, you can do this. Undergraduate, freshman, you can do this one. Okay, you can do this one as well. It's not necessary, but the very first one is necessary. The US dollar index is very important, so you do that one. I didn't do it because I left it somewhere else. Yeah, but you need to understand the US dollar index. Okay, and keeping a trading journal. 1, 2, these two very important. Creating your own trading system, maybe you can do this, but you're not going to apply what they teach you, because I'll be teaching you how to keep a trading journal, how to create your own system, but you need to know how to use MT4. So definitely do this one as well. Okay, and risk management, this is the number one thing that you will come back to it again and again after you've understood what you're doing. Okay, so for now, leave that one out and then just do what you have to do, because once you start trading, okay, once you start understanding what you need to do, this will be the very biggest thing you'll be doing. Okay, this one, but I'll be taking you through them, so you don't need to do it here. And I think that's it. Okay, this was all trading psychology. The first one, common trading mistakes, is trading psychology, so I can teach you that, or I can point you to where to get more information on that. So if you didn't catch what I said, okay, just pause the video, reverse it, and then go back and listen to what I said, where to learn and which one to learn. Okay, so I'm not going to go through them again, I've done it. So if you didn't catch it, again, go back, pause it, go back, watch it again, and then see which ones I said to watch. And once you've watched everything, okay, you should be at a level where you can actually jump onto an MT4 platform. Okay, and an MT4 platform is something like this. Let me see if I can bring one up. MT4. Okay, this is an MT4 platform. Okay, this is an MT4 platform. Alright, so yeah, this is what you will end up using. Okay, so definitely once you've gone through everything, that lesson about the MT4, how to use MT4, learn that one very well, because this is the MT4 and you need to know the tools that you're using on here. Right, Okay, so with that said, and once you've finished everything, just jump back in here, because I'll be creating another series of trading videos that will help you in your development. Okay, and then you can now start following the other videos that I sent out, which is my forecast and midweek, because those will be something that you will need going forward to make trades. Okay, so with the introduction and then learning from baby pips will bring you up to a level where you understand forex to a certain degree, and then I can take you from there. Okay, that's if you want. That's if you want. I can take you from there. But if you don't, by the time you finish this, you have so much knowledge that you probably want to just do something else. Okay, but piece of advice, there's so many things out there that can make you do silly things. Okay, there are so many bad things out there, so I recommend come back here, because I will point you to the right way. Just ask. Okay, you can go to my Facebook page, okay, and then just send me a message in here. Send me a message, whatever question you have, send me a message and I'll point you, because the whole idea here, okay, my whole idea is to just read about the description and it tells you exactly why I created this. Okay, because I struggled a lot when I started. I struggled a lot, so that's the whole idea of me bringing up doing all these things. So I want you to succeed if you want to do this, and I want to point people to the right direction. So if you really want to do it, then once you've done everything you need to do, okay, come back here or send me a message and then I'll take it from there. Alright, so I'll not take much time on this video. I'll leave it as it is, and then I'll catch up with you in another video. Okay, so until then, stay blessed.